Hello guys, it's Mr. Calc. Today, I'm at another plane spotting hill near the Warsaw Chopin Airport. Well, it's different here because you can see old planes that are no longer used. Yeah. And you can see more of the Chopin Airport. Oh look! The plane's landing. And, unlike the previous one, you could see planes taking off. Look. Okay, let's wait a little. Yes. Oh, you could even see the city center more distinctly. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's a pity. We couldn't get to see the plane taking off. Oh, wait. Hold up. Oh yeah, there you go. Boom. And there we go. Finally taking off. Oh. Oh, there we go. It took off. Boom. And there we go. That was a little long, but you still got to see the plane taking off. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye.